Welcome to this explainer. Let's tweak your trackpad settings and adjust single-finger scrolling on Windows 10 and 11.
Tired of accidentally triggering that two-finger scroll on your laptop? Well, let's fix that right now.
Single finger scroll lets you just use the left or right edge of your trackpad instead. Let's dive into how to easily enable this feature, step by step, right in your Windows settings.
First, hit the Windows key plus I for Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices, then select Touchpad.
Next, scroll down, expand the Scroll and Zoom section, and find that single-finger scrolling dropdown. From this menu, just choose whether you want to use the right or left side. Easy! If you ever want to revert this, disabling the feature is super straightforward. Let's look.
Just press the Windows key plus X, choose Settings, and head back to that same touchpad menu. From that single-finger scrolling drop-down, you just need to select Disabled to turn it right off.
Make sure the Drag two fingers to scroll checkbox stays selected as your backup option.
Keeping that checked means you can always still scroll vertically with two fingers if you need to.
That wraps up our explainer.